Hello, welcome to Brodie's Computer Support. We are going to do the next Ccna 1 lab, which is 2.3.2.5, and this one is implementing basic connectivity. So I'll just pull up the instructions like so. Alright, so you can have a look here. I'll just scroll a bit, then pause. Scroll a bit, pause. Okay, so as you see, you need 88 points. Alright, so I'm going to move this screen to a different monitor. Okay, so background. In this activity, you will first perform basic switch configurations. Then you will implement basic connectivity by configuring IP addressing on switches and PCs. When the IP addressing configuration is complete, you will use various show commands to verify configurations and use the ping command to verify basic connectivity between devices. Part 1. Perform a basic configuration on S1 and S2, which is switch 1 and switch 2. Complete the following steps on switch 1 and switch 2. Step 1. Configure S1 with a host name. So you go to the command line interface. Alright. So a refresher, what's this mode called? Alright, this is user exec mode. We type enable, go to privilege exec mode. So it wants the command to be S1, capital S and 1. You got to make sure you do it as they say, so you get the point. So you want to go to global config mode, conf T to do that. Host name S1. Done. You can see that's done here. Alright, so that's done. Configure the console and privilege exec mode passwords. Use Cisco for the console password. Use class for the encrypted privilege exec mode password. Alright, so when it's encrypted, it wants it to be the secret. Okay, so let's start here. So we'll do the console first. Line console 0, password Cisco, then you type login, then exit. Now use class for the encrypted privilege, so enable secret will encrypt, and class, enable secret class. Okay, it's done. Verify the password configurations for S1. Alright, so how can you verify? Well, we can go back to privilege exec mode and type show run. And now you can see enable secret, that's encrypted there. If you scroll down, where is it? Keep going. Maybe I went too far. Right here. Line CON0, console 0, password Cisco, and the login prompt. Okay, as you can see, that's still not encrypted because we need to use the service password encryption option, but I don't think it says to do that just yet. Alright, so that's done. Now you want to configure a banner. Go back to config mode. So banner, message of the day, authorized access only. I'm just going to copy paste that. I really don't want to type it. Paste. Like so. I just want to quickly try something. Okay, exit, show, run. exit again. Yes, it didn't work. You need to put the quotations. Cisco enable class message of the day is this. Alright, so that's done. Save the configuration file to the NVRAM and switch command, so we'll do that now. Copy running config to the startup config. Done. Or a shortcut is cop yes, I believe st there, cop rst. Alright, so that's done. Repeat the steps 1 to 5 S2. So I'm just going to quickly smash through that one. Enable conf t, hostname S2, 1. Oh my god, bad typing. Cisco, log in, exit, enable secret class, exit, banner, message of the day, paste. Why didn't that work? That's because we weren't in global config mode. Alright, that's done. That's all of it. Exit, show run. Yep. That's correct. That's correct. Okay. Alright. So that's done. So that was step 6 done. Part 2. Configure the PCs. Configure PC1 and PC2 with IP addresses. Alright, so we got PC1, desktop IP configuration. So 192.168. That's not what I wanted. 168.1.1. That's done. This one is .1.2. 2. Done. Alright, configure both PCs with IP addresses. Oh, so I sort of rushed ahead. So that was I just read part 2. Configure the PCs. I just did it. So step 1: configure both PCs with IP addresses. Click PC1 and then click desktop tab. Click IP configuration, which we did. Follow the addressing table. Enter it. Repeat the steps, which we've done. So we did all of that. So click PC1. Okay. And it wants you to do a ping. 192.168.1.253. And this, I'll just tell you now, it's not going to work because we've not set up the management interface with an IP address, therefore we cannot ping it. That's why we're not successful. Configure the switch management interface. Configure S1, S2 with an IP address. Okay. Configure S1 with an IP address. Step 1. So it says the commands and what to do, but we'll do it here anyway, so you will see. So you want to go to conf t, and then so you want to go interface. VLAN 1. IP address is 192.168.1.253. And a subnet, which is a /24, like so. And no shutdown to make this active. Alright. and exit. Okay, why do you enter the no shutdown command? Well, it's pretty obvious that it makes it active. Alright, step 2, configure S2 with an IP address. S2 from the addressing table. So it's 254. Okay, that's all you need to know. So conf2 int VLAN1 IP address 192.168.1.254 subnet mask, which is a /24. No shutdown. No shut or no shutdown. There. So that's active. Exit. Save the configurations. Exit. Exit. Crop RST. Done. Crop. Exit. Crop RST. Done. Okay. Now that's completed. We have the right score. You can see here we got the 88, but we will just do the rest. So you can stop watching it now, or you can just watch the rest. That's entirely up to you. So step 5, verify network connectivity. Network connectivity can be verified using ping command. It is very important that connectivity exists throughout the network. Corrective action must be taken if there is a failure. Ping S1 and S2 from PC1 and PC2. Click PC1 and then... Alright, so it's just how we did the ping before. So it wants us to ping that one. There you go. Got a response, that's fine. Then it also wants you to ping across to S2. There you go, we have a response. And then it wants us to do it again from the other side. Just because it usually will with switches, but just because one side can get packets across doesn't mean it can return it. Especially if you've got routers involved. But we don't need to worry about that yet. So, alright. Ping. That's fine. Let me ping the other side. And there you have it. We have a response. This lab is completed, and this is lab 2.3.2.5 on the Ccna 1 certification. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and to help support the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you for the next one.